Hello there, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign on Systeme.io. So the first thing you want to do is of course make sure that you have a landing page up and running, okay? Next thing is going to be opening up the exact funnel of the exact landing page. For example, right here, I'm just going to click on this sample funnel right there, video tutorial. And with this one, I'm going to create a tag, okay? How can I create a tag right there? I'm going to look for tags right on under contacts. Simply click on tags right there. Click create tag. Let's just name this sample tag. Simple as that. Click on save. And then basically after this one, I'm going to go back to funnel and then click on video tutorial. And then once I'm video tutorial again or inside this sample funnel, I'm going to click on automation rules. So I'm going to add a rule. Click on funnel step from subscriber or page visited. I'm going to click this funnel step from subscribe, okay? And with this one, I'm going to edit automation rule and add action. I'm going to add a tag, which is the one I created earlier. Save rule right there. And then I'm going to go back here and emails campaigns. Once I'm here, this is actually where the magic happened. This is where I'm going to create an email campaign. Basically, I'm going to click a create right there. Let's just say email sample and then click save, okay? So I'm gonna open this email sample right there. And as you can see, oops, it's not like it's empty, right? So I'm gonna click on it, edit right here, and I'm gonna create a description here. Okay, I'm gonna say campaign sample, basically like that. Click on save, and right now my campaign is being edited. I'm gonna click create again right here. So the subject. So right now I'm gonna create a fixed email that will be sent to my subscribers if they visited my landing page. For example, right here, I'm going to click a subject, sample email, sender name. This is going to be your own email, for example. Let's just say G sample or sample name. Okay, sender email, which is going to be my email right there. Click on save, and you're good to go. Okay. Now with this one, you can still edit as you please, and of course, please add a series of emails that you can use on this automated email campaign, of course. Right? So we can also add attachment right here to make it more visual aiding or visual enticing. Okay? It's to make it more interesting anyway. And that being said, if you're done with this one, editing as you please, for example, sample body of email as it is, I can just save and publish right here. Okay? So with this one, it's gonna ask me how much or how many days will it run. For example, delay before sending. Let's just say for 5 days. Example. This email will be sent after. Let's just say choose it after which email to add this one. So since it's my first email, I don't need to put anything here. So time when email should be sent. This is gonna be the one. Click on activate, and that's good to go. I just created an email campaign. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.